In this short video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to translate between any two languages using CX Translator for Microsoft Excel. CX Translator is a regular Excel add-in that I've already installed on this copy of Excel. So here we have some tweets in French that I want to translate into English. I simply select the cells containing the French tweets, click the CX Translator menu tab on the Excel ribbon, and click Translate. This dialog box lets you check that you have the correct range selected before you proceed. It also lets you select a source and target language for your translation. You can select Auto Detect or choose one of the many available languages to match your data. Normally, you can leave this set to Auto Detect. Auto Detect is also useful if you have a number of different languages in your source data. For the target language, I'm going to select English. And now we just click the Start Processing button. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a progress message as CX Translator processes your text. Once finished, this dialog box confirms how many items of text were processed, whether or not there were any errors, and how long the translation took in total. Click OK, and the translated text is added in a new column to the right of your original text. And that's how easy it is to translate text using CX Translator for Excel. You can find more details on our website at cxdatascience.com. Thanks for watching.